Hey, I'm going to show you real quick how I've been generating a ton of leads for my business just using Google Maps, Apify, Google Sheets, and Perplexity. So, pretty cool. My target market, let's just jump right in, is vacation rental property managers. So, pull up in Google Maps, place like Scottsdale, huge spot for vacation rentals and Airbnbs. Let's type in vacation rental management and out pops this list, right? You can scroll down. This list just keeps going on and on. Google will just keep loading more and more. Now, as you adjust the dimensions, that's one key point is it adjusts this number up here, uh, right, right here. That's really important because watch as I zoom in or zoom out, that number changes, and it's going to change the parameters of where this list pulls from. So let's just say that I want to target these companies right here in the Phoenix Scottsdale area. All you got to do is copy that URL, then go over to Apify. This is the one that you're looking for, the Google Maps extractor from Compass. They let you try it for free. Apify gives you $5 free each month, I think, on the free plan. And the pricing is $6 for every 1,000 results. So super, super cheap to generate leads based off this. Once you pull it up, you go to the console, it's going to pull this up here. What you want to do is set the number of places that you want to extract. So we'll just start with 50 from this list, and then you go down here to this Google Maps URL. That's the one that you want to use. So I just started with 50 right there. Come here, paste that URL in, and that's all you got to do. Save and start. So we'll let this thing rip for a second. Okay, so we're back. Apify just finished running, and what you can see here is now a table of Porter Vacation Rental Management, Cactus Vacation Rental, Airbnb Management, right? The list goes on and on. What you want to do is come over to, we want to take it out of the table and into the JSON, and then I always like to preview it in the new tab. You just Command A, copy that, right? So you just copy this entire JSON list and then head over to this is a fresh, brand new Google Sheet. Once you're inside the Google Sheet, you just go over to extensions and app script. And once you pull up app script, you can copy and paste this code in there. You can take a screenshot of my screen right now and just copy that code, or I'll post this to my Twitter account. So head over to my Twitter at Dom_Travado. That's where I'll kind of have this on there that you can just kind of copy and paste for yourself. But once you're here, right where it says JSON data, all you got to do is Command V, just paste that in. So this is the structured JSON data of that Apify run. And once you run it, once you get here, you just save it, right? Save it and run it. We'll let this do its thing for a second. Okay, this thing just finished running. So really quick, one thing to note is that the way that this is structured, and you can rename this however you want when you do it, but I have it structured so that it goes to sheet one, right? So that's important that on here, which it just finished running, right? You see down here it says sheet one. So that's just really important that you have it structured that way. And then the other thing that I have it structured is to pull the business name, the phone number, the email address, and the website. And so you can see here, right? It just went through, it took that JSON data, it took everything that was on this long list of Google Maps, and it just put it into a nice Google Sheet for us to be able to work with. Now, where Perplexity comes into play is the next video that I'll record that's just going to show how Perplexity is going to pull data from this website and fill in things like the email address and the description for calls. But that'll be on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope this helps somebody out there.